How to add Solana network to Metamask. In this video, we are going to see how to add the Solana network to your Metamask wallet. So let's begin by opening the browser that has your Metamask installed. Then click on your Metamask extension, open the three dot menu and select expanded view. So here in this view, go to the top right again, open the three dot menu and choose snaps. Now you need to, if you haven't installed any snaps yet, scroll down and tap on discover snaps. Then from the list of popular snaps, look for the Solana wallet. If it's not visible, use the search bar to find it and click view, then hit add to MetaMask. So here you'll see a notice about third-party software. Scroll down and hit accept. Then MetaMask will now prompt you to connect with Snap metamask.io. Click connect and then confirm. So once installed, you'll get a prompt asking to manage Solana accounts. Tick the box for Solana wallet and confirm. Now after setup, click on the link to solanaflare.com/metamask. Then on that page, hit get started and continue through the on-screen prompts. So here Solana lets you use Solana directly through MetaMask. This setup is powered by Solana Flare and ensures secure usage. Then click Connect MetaMask and approve the connection in the MetaMask pop-up. Now you need to bookmark Solana Flare for future use and proceed. So in the expanded MetaMask view, you'll now see the Solana Snap listed. Then you can use this with dApps like Resume. On those platforms, select MetaMask as your wallet.